வா விஷ்ணு வா. விஷ்ணு அம்மா கிட்ட வா, ஒரே ஒரு செகண்ட். இங்க அக்கா இருக்கா பாரு, அந்த மாதிரி வா.
சரி, சீட் கட்டலாம் உட்கார.
நீ வா விஷ்ணு. Artist by I'm very happy. I'm a doctor by profession, working as intensivist in Manipal Hospital, but an artist by passion. So my family, my husband is Mr. Saravana Rajesh. He's an engineer by profession, and I have two kids. The elder one is Dikshita, she's 9 years old, and the younger one is Vishnumita, she is 5 years old. And my mother-in-law stays with me. My father is no more, and my mother is in Chennai, and my brother, he's also in Chennai. I can tell I'm basically a self-taught artist, and that's what. From childhood I was doing pencil sketches, but during my 10th standard holidays I was helped by a master to merge and mix colors. Professional artist to merge and mix colors. So that was the start of my this painting career, I can tell you. Like after that I started doing experiments on my own and doing adventures on my own. I go to the painting shop and I get whatever is available in the market, like paints and the cartoons and the canvas, whatever is available in the market, and I do practice with it. I don't remember the day when it ended, because from childhood I am very much interested in drawing, and I should tell about my mother here. She's a great pencil sketcher, and maybe the gene I carried from her, I think. She has done a lot of pencil sketches, and she didn't have any opportunity for doing paintings like me, but from my childhood I am very much interested in drawing. When I was a kid even, I just take magazines, newspapers and calendars, and I'll sit with a paper and a pencil and I'll start drawing. You can see around 60% of the paintings what I have done would have been for my husband. He is a staunch devotee of Vishnu, and if you can see Kalinga Nardana, Gajendra Moksha, Ramanuja, everything was done for him actually. For his wish I have done actually. So without their support I could not have come to this position.
Normally everybody will not be gifted with such a big trait of having good painting skills. I believe it's a gift that you receive from God. Not everybody will be able to do that. I have seen so many artists, for example Mali, an artist of Tamil, very serious, very brilliant artist, and recently one of the film artists, Mr. Shivakumar, I adore him a lot. So when I see those pictures and when I get a message from them, and when I have a wife who can do a similar painting, I can really enjoy the life, you know.
I like her what she's drawing the picture. I also want to draw. I like to draw.
Actually, I was practicing anesthesia, and now I am into the ICU, intensive care unit. I've saved many lives on my hand actually. It's a very stressful job, I can tell you.
Sure.
As I was telling before, my job is full of mixed emotions. It's a very stressful job, and whenever I get an opportunity to save a life, I'll be happy, I'll be elated. Even though it's because of this destiny, but I'll be having continuous thought about how I could have saved him. So that will take me into a depressive state. So it's my life is full of mixed emotions. So I take art as a step first. and I want to create my own gallery, and can be in future can be for a social cause.